Here we have a 2001 Lexus IS300. Customer has the shell, but they lost the electronics of the key, which contains the chip and the keyless entry unit. So we're going to end up reflashing the ECU on this one, cutting a new shell, and then cutting a new programming electronics and everything. We'll come back shortly. Alright, we back at the Lexus. We pulled the ECU so we could reflash it. In case y'all was wondering what the ECU looked like, if you look at this, it's a bunch of chips. You got to know which one and what to do, what you need to do to it to reflash it. We'll come back with this thing reflashed and everything. Keep in mind, you got to make sure that whoever you call has enough experience to do this type of work, because you don't want them messing up your computer. I'll come back with this car running and everything. Alright, we back at this Lexus. As you see, we made the remote key. That button works. Unlock works. Key goes in, works nice and smooth, like it should. Here's what everybody wants to see. Look at the security light. Security light goes out. Starts right up. So if you need our help, just give us a call or go to our website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. We'll be glad to help you.